तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? Yo, what is up guys, and welcome to another bike video. So what do we have in store today? Yes, in fact today we have a really special bike in this video. No wait, cut that. It's not just special, it's much more than that. And many people in fact call this bike a legend, and me personally riding it, I couldn't agree more. So it hasn't just got this name because of its good looks, but also because it is packed with power. And when I say this bike is fast, I mean it's really fast. Well, everybody couldn't handle such performance, so the RD was often referred to as rapid death. Now, the bike carries a whole lot of history along with it. I can make a whole complete separate video on that, for which you would have to subscribe. So go below, subscribe fast, help me reach 4,000 as soon as possible. But anyways, let us now quickly go to the bike and hear how it sounds. So without wasting any time, let's go.
A few inches later.
So guys, there you go. This is the Yamaha Rd 350. Before we start it up, let's take a quick walk around. And as you can see the colors so beautiful and everything restored to its pristine glory. I was so lucky to get my hands on this bike today. So let's quickly start it up. So guys, here you go. We're all set. Let's quickly hear this machine, and don't expect it to start in two kicks like a Splendor. This is an old bike, so it will take time. It hasn't been started in a couple of days, so let's go. Ooh, that was fast. Yeah. What a beauty. Guys, I recommend you to put on your best earphone so you get the best sound quality, and it's just so beautiful. Let's give it a quick rev. There you go. That was the sound of the Rd 350. If you want me to do a motor vlog on this bike, please do let me know in the comment section below. Also tell me how you love this bike in the comments. And I guess I'll see you very soon in my next video. Help me to reach 4K soon. And till then, take care. Peace. Bye.
Breathe, but that's alright. Hush.